By placing a third generation Amazon Echo Dot in setup mode, you can reset your Amazon Echo. However, when placed in setup mode, an Amazon Echo Dot is not factory reset. Instead, as the name suggests, setup mode only places the Echo Dot in a mode that allows you to reconfigure your Echo Dot to be used with a different wireless access point or Amazon account. In order to place a third generation Amazon Echo Dot in setup mode, we simply need to press and hold down the action button for 25 seconds. We can release our finger when the Echo Dot plays the following message.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Now via the Alexa app, we can either reconfigure the Echo Dot to use a different wireless access point, or register the Echo Dot to use a different Amazon account. For anyone planning to sell or give away their Amazon Echo Dot, we recommend that you do not use setup mode. To demonstrate why, with this Echo Dot still in setup mode, let's remove the power. Now let's wait a few seconds and then reconnect the power back into the Echo Dot. When the Echo Dot restarts, because the device has not been factory reset, it remains connected to our wireless access point. To demonstrate, let's ask Alexa to tell us a joke.
How do footballers stay cool during a game? They stand near the fans.
If we now load the Alexa app, you can see that our Echo Dot has not been removed from our Amazon account. So if you do want to deregister and factory reset your third generation Amazon Echo Dot, trying to use setup mode is not the best method to use.